Guys, hey, it's Johnny. Thank you for joining me here for another video. Guys, the last time I did the Husky 3-ton jack, it was an unboxing video. So today we're gonna actually put it to work, see it in action. And the first thing we're gonna do is check the 5.5 through 18.5 lift range. This is the lowest point. Let's go ahead and see how tall that is. All right. Yeah, it's about 5.5 inches or so. All right, let's raise it up to the highest point and check it again. All right, guys, that was 20 pumps. 20 pumps later. 20 pumps later, guys, we have it at the highest point, which is about 18.5 inches. So that's correct. 5.5 through 18.5 lift range on this 3-ton Husky garage jack. Let's lift up this car. Today we're lifting a 2002 Honda Civic. First thing you want to do is locate the lift points on your vehicle. In this case, we have them here. Every car is different, but they're usually located around the same area. All right, guys, let's bring the jack over and lift the vehicle. All right, guys, so the bar here is held together by one screw. This is two separate pieces. You can loosen the screw and remove them. And I have the screw in here, so just make sure that the screw is tight. The two pieces turn into one. At the bottom here, it's got a square. If you take a look in here, it's also a square. So you got to make sure that it fits in right. Slide it in. Make sure it falls all the way in. There we go. All right, guys. Next thing you want to do, if you take a look there, I'm going to turn them by turning this pole clockwise. There you go, tight. That's where it needs to be. All right, guys. Now we slide the jack under the vehicle. Okay, I'm gonna loosen it now by turning the bar to the left because I think it might have been raised a little bit. Take a look at that silver circle. It might go down a little bit by turning this bar to the left. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so let me turn it all the way to the right again. There it is. I turned the bar all the way to the right. It's tight. I can no longer turn it. There we go. All right, let me put the vehicle right on the jack. There it is, guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do 4 pumps. This bar here, guys, I'm gonna push it all the way that way and then bring it back all the way towards me. Let's see how many pumps it takes to get this car up to a decent height. You guys ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, 8 pumps. We got the front wheel off the ground and the back wheel off the ground. One thing I forgot to mention, guys, always make sure you have the e-brake on and wheel chocks. All right, guys, so we have both wheels on the passenger side of the vehicle up. If you wanted to change your tire, you can do so. But if you were gonna work on the vehicle and go under the car, never do it with just the jack. Make sure that you have jack stands. And always make sure that you have jack stands that can support the weight of your vehicle. As you can see here, this is enough for me to lower the vehicle and put it on the jack stand. You know what? Let's just go ahead and do that. Now, to lower the jack and lower the vehicle, you want to turn this bar here counterclockwise, slowly. There you go. Look at that. Now I got the vehicle supported by the jack stand. Now you would simply go and do the same thing on the other side. And now to lower the vehicle and put it back on the ground, again, you go to the lift point on the vehicle, raise the jack to support the vehicle, lift it to where you can see clearance on the jack stand, and then just grab your jack stand out the way. And once again, by turning this bar here counterclockwise slowly, it's going to lower the jack and bring your car back down to the ground slowly. Thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching, guys.